Nezha L will be available for pre-sale and launch in April. It is positioned as a midsize SUV. Nezha Automobile, a member of the new energy automobile manufacturing industry, has won the love and following of countless consumers with its cool and avant-garde appearance and rich configuration. In terms of appearance, Nezha L uses a closed-center grille on the front, trapezoidal air intake on the lower perimeter, and dot matrix structure on the inside. The overall appearance is not only stylish but also very stylish. Distinguishing. The headlights on both sides have sharp shapes and the sharp front hood lines make it more visually impressive. Nezha L's body proportions are harmonious. Its blacked-out roof design and raised waistline will give people the feeling of being ready to hit the road. The hidden door handle is not only avant-garde and fashionable, but also slightly reduces the wind resistance coefficient. Large wheels and slightly convex fenders at the front and rear create a good sporty atmosphere. As for the interior, Nezha L did not disappoint either. The simple and elegant central control layout features a large-size LCD screen, which not only enhances the sense of technology but also provides users with a more enjoyable and intelligent experience. It is also worth noting that the new car will also have advanced configurations such as a vehicle refrigerator. Finally, let's talk about the motivations that everyone is more concerned about. According to previous declaration information, Nezha L will offer two power options, pure electric version and extended range version. The extended range version is equipped with a 1.5-liter four-cylinder naturally aspirated range extender with a maximum engine power of 91 horsepower. The pure electric version of the car is equipped with an engine with a maximum power of 170 kW.